Learn how to make money online today. I'm going to show you 7 different ways that you can start earning cash right now. At the end, I'm going to share with you a way that takes a little bit longer, but it'll give you the tools you need to build a sustainable business. My name's Scott Polderman, and I'm an affiliate marketer, and I've been self-employed for the past 30 years. But hey, let's jump into the video, starting out with number 1. One of the easiest ways to start making money right now is to go on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Both of those have a free section, and you can literally pull things up and check out whatever you want. Let's say you want to do furniture or, look at some other things that are really selling quickly on Facebook and Craigslist, and you can pick up those free items and then repost those right on Facebook Marketplace or on Craigslist. Come up with a good description and a bunch of pictures. And typically what you'll find, if you model, not copy exact, but if you model other products that are for sale right now on Craigslist and Facebook, you can have a lot of success with this method. And it's a way that you can literally start making money right now. Number 2 is drive for DoorDash, right? You do need a vehicle for this one, but you can sign up, download the app online, and you can literally be delivering food pretty quickly. And the nice thing about DoorDash is you're gonna get tips and you're gonna start making money right away. So it's a great way for you to make that cash today. Number 3, I really like, but it might require a little bit of work on your part, but doesn't anything, right? Number 3 is offer a service to people right on your Facebook page. You can offer mowing services, yard cleanup, any type of handyman services. Whatever you think you can provide, you can offer that. And the nice thing about doing that on Facebook, you can just put out a message that says, hey, you know what? I got some spare time this week and I'd love to help out if anybody needs a lawn mowed, yard picked up, garage cleaned, whatever it is that you want to offer. It's a great way to start making money right away and start with people who already know, like, and trust you. Or hey, at least know you, right? The next one is Shipt. I know once again, this is going to require a vehicle, but you can sign up for Shipt, SHIPT, online. And once again, you're going to head out, get groceries, and deliver them. The thing I like about, this is pretty similar to the DoorDash, is the fact that, if you're personable, the better you do your job, the quicker you do your job, you're going to get tips and make money. So once again, if you need cash today, this is another great way to do it. If this is your preferred position, driving, then why not drive for Uber or Lyft, right? Once again, it's easy to sign up for the apps and you can be driving relatively quickly. And, you're gonna meet new people, you're gonna have different conversations, your day is gonna go by pretty quick, and you get to choose which trips that you wanna take. So that's one of the reasons I really like Uber and Lyft. It's gonna cost a little money, especially from the gas money standpoint, but once again, it's a way that you can start making money right away. I really like this next one because I've been self-employed for 30 years. There's always things that need to be done. So I recommend that you offer a service to a local business. And it really is pretty simple. All you're going to do is reach out to a local business. You can look them right up on Facebook and send a message, right? Say, hey, you know what? I'm looking for some extra work. Do you need help with XYZ? Whatever service you can offer. And it's really easy to reach out to them. You can reach out to a dozen businesses in the next 20, 30 minutes and be working by this afternoon. And you can just negotiate. Say, hey, you know what? I can do this. It's going to cost $25, $50, $75, $100, whatever service you want to offer. But you don't have to jump in a car and drive business to business. You don't have to know them well. All you need to do is get on Facebook, find their business, shoot them a message, Literally, just about every business owner, when you click a message, gets that notification on their phone. So if they, wow, you know what? Boy, I was just thinking I'd like to have X, Y, or Z done. And if you're looking around, especially right now, there are help wanted signs everywhere. So you could possibly pop in and work a few hours doing whatever or offer some type of service. But I really like this one because it's easy to contact the businesses online. And right now, a lot of businesses are hurting for people. Number 7, and this is by far my favorite. And it's really building a sustainable online business, right? That's what I've done through affiliate marketing. And you really need to have some skills, but they're easy to learn, but it takes some work, right? You know, one of the biggest challenges I see, and tell me if this doesn't sound crazy, if you were to take a seed, and go and plant it outside and then water it, come back the next day and say, oh my goodness, there's no tree where I planted this seed, and you come back the second or third day, you dig it up just to make sure the seed's still there. That'd be ludicrous, right? But a lot of people think that way as far as building a sustainable business. It takes time. I've shared with you ways that you can make money right away. Now, this is one where you can start building a long-term business with sustainable income. And really, you can start today. Start getting the skills you need to be successful. Right here is a link, talk55.com. Head over there, check it out, watch the video. I explain a little bit more of my story, and then if you click the red button below, you'll go to another video where it'll really dig deep into what you can learn, how you can build a sustainable online business relatively quickly, and get started. Get started today. Hey, if you like this video, I'd love a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more notifications for videos like this one. And once again, thanks for watching and make it a great day.